Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to transpose in Logic Pro. So tap the inspect button, so at the bottom left corner, the middle icon right here. Now tap the specific audio block on your timeline that you want to transpose. So let's select one of those. Look at the top section of the inspector sidebar at the top and tap more to expand the region settings. So right like so. Now we have basically all the regions, like region, yeah, like that. And now what we need to do is find the transpose line, so which is right over here, as you can see. Tap the number or side slider next to it to adjust the pitch. So positive numbers are move the pitch up and negatives pitch down. A value of 12 moves the audio up or down by one full octave. So this is now one octave. If we select it, you see now here number 12. So you can adjust however you prefer. And yeah, this is basically it. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next